Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me and the Minnow. Hi, good morning, good morning. So we stayed in the motel room pretty late this morning, latest we ever have. And we're just down the road, probably what, 30, 40 miles. And we stopped at a rest stop that has a geocache that we're gonna grab. And we're gonna have to be careful because there's quite a few people here, but I don't think they'll see us. So we're gonna go see if we can find it right over here. So we went yesterday. Yesterday we kind of ran out of time on stuff that we were going to do, and today we're going on into the kids' house today. But we're taking our time, and we'll get there early this afternoon and see the grandbabies, our daughter, and our son-in-law. Right now we're going to find a geocache. Let's go. Okay, the ground zero's jumping around a little bit, but we're close. So it's either in here, and it kind of looks like there's a little bit of a geo trail going through there, or it's on this tree here. We can't tell for sure, but I think we're going to look over here. Excuse me. I think we're going to look over here to the right first, and I'll probably focus on the big tree, I think. And container wise, we're looking for a small, and I think I see an indication of where it could be. I haven't seen it yet, but Minnow's taking a look, and Minnow found it. So we're gonna be careful taking this out because there's other people in here, but Minnow found it in here, so we're gonna get it out, and then we'll walk away from the tree and open it. And now we're good. So we're going to pull this out. We'll walk away from the tree, open it over here, and sign the log and see what we got. So Minnow's going to pull that out. Does the stick move? The stick doesn't move, so that's the branch there. So we just got to pull it out from the wire. The wire will unhook from there, I think. Go ahead. Nice. Cool.
Oh, very cool.
So nice looking geocache, and it's got a bunch of stuff rolling around in it. Cool. All right, we'll open it up, see what we got. So that is made so it stays on there. So we'll just stay here. Let's turn that around and open the lid. Need some help with it. There we go. There we go. Now we can move over here with the container where it could be. Okay, so we've got here right in the top, we got a log sheet. Plenty of room on the log. That's a big log. So plenty of room on the log. We'll sign that here in just a minute. Minnow, what else is in there?
A pencil.
There's a pencil and a marble. So that's all that's in there. So we'll use the pencil. We'll sign the log. And we'll put a little monkey in there and a sock monkey path tag. Alrighty?
Yeah.
Way to go, man. You're the finder.
I'm the finder.
You're the finder. Right on. Okay, let me sign this. It's 7/17.
Yes.
There we go. So we got that signed, and it will go back in to the geocache. What I got in here too. So I've got a sock monkey path tag that we're gonna put in there. Pretty cool. And then I also have, if the geocache is big enough, I usually leave a little monkey in there too. This guy's doing a handstand. And my little monkeys always put a black spot on the foot, so I know they're mine. So we're gonna put all this stuff back into the geocache. Back in there with the marble. And then we'll go put it back where we found it. Okay, so we're gonna make sure that that's on good and tight. And we'll put it back like we found it, back in the tree, turn the wire back around where it's not real visible, and there we go. All right, so we got that geocache. Minnow found it, spotted it. So we'll put it back like we found it. We left a couple other things in it. So with the geocache, we didn't take anything, but if you do take something, you always want to leave something in return. So we're going to go up here, check out the facilities, get back in the truck, head down the road, and we'll probably find another one here pretty soon. So yeah, nice morning. It's like what, 60?
It's not a
It's
little.
about 64 now, I think. It was like 60 when we took off.
Yeah.
But compared to what we're used to, it's pretty cool right now. So that's where we're at. Appreciate it. See you at the next one. Hey. All right, so we are back. We were in Oakley, and we stopped here and had us late breakfast, lunch, whatever you want to call it over here. We were at that TA across the bridge over there, and there's a IHOP over there, and we had IHOPper. So we're at a geocache now, and it's a bright idea, and we're going to find it right quick, and then we're going to get back on the interstate and keep trickling on toward Denver. Let's look.
All right.
This is a large. You know what? I didn't get anything out of the car, but that's okay. This is a large, and I already know where it's at.
It's a light bulb.
Yep.
Oh, cool.
And I think it's got, and it says there, geocache available only when the light is off,
Right now.
which it's always going to be off because there's no wires hooked to it. So that's pretty cool. And you can see the log sheets inside the bulb. Way to go, dude. And I got to get the guy's name on this one. So we're going to take, I don't know if it pops off or if you unscrew it. So we got to figure that out. I don't want to break something. So, okay, so this here, I'm not sure how to get it off. I don't want to break the bulb. It unscrews. Nice. So we'll see if we can get this. We got tweezers in the truck, so we'll go over there. We'll get those out. We're going to stick a little monkey in there. I don't know, but people will have to have tweezers to get it out. And there's quite a bit of log sheet in there. Maybe some of it could come out. I don't know. I'll leave it in. Okay, so we got the geocache over here on the back of the truck, and there's a lot of junk in there. I'm going to take some of that out. I would put a geocoin in there, or a path tag in there, but it won't fit in there. Otherwise, it would get a path tag in here. So we're going to do that, but we are going to put one of my little monkeys, our little monkey's there with he's got a little dot on his foot, so that shows that he's my monkey. We're going to put him in there, clean up some of the clutter, and sign the log sheet. So we've got that log signed, and we will put it back in there, fold it over, and crease it good. Hopefully the next person can get it out all right. They should be able to. We're gonna put the little monkey in first. There he is. He's in there. Get his face up here. Come on, dude. Oh, there he is. So there's the little monkey in there. Okay, so I like that. Nice geocache. We'll screw that back in. Oh no. I gotta be careful. I turned it upside down over here and dropped the log sheet out of it. There. That's better. So nice geocache. We'll put it back where it goes. Got the log sheet and the little monkey in there. Okay, so we got that one. So we're going to get back out on I-70 and head west. Well, I'm sure we'll grab another one or two, probably closer to, we might grab the next one at Lyman. Anyway, let's go. Appreciate you watching. Let's go. Guys, so we are in Lyman, Colorado. It's a little breezy out here, obviously. It's not too cold, though. It's not warm. I mean, it's not warm. It's warm enough. I'm in shorts and t-shirt.
Yeah, it's not bad.
So it's in the low 70s. So it's good. It's good. We're stopping to get one more geocache. It is a small. It doesn't really say anything about it. It just shows that it's over here. And we'll see if we can find it. So we got to kind of watch our step around here. The grass is pretty deep. We're looking for a small and not sure what. So I don't know if it's a hanger or if it's sitting somewhere. I'm going to go ahead and walk around once, Shell. And we'll look in all the usual places. So I just want to let Minnow know I found it. So I found it.
I'm coming.
Okay. So the way we do this is if one of us spots it, we wait for the other one to come around and give them a chance to spot it. You see it?
Yeah, I think so.
All right. You want to grab it? Just make sure there's no booger mans. Cool. You got it. Okay, so I'm going to open this up and we'll see what's inside. It looks like it has been taken care of recently because the tape looks new. There's a marble in here. Just a marble and a log sheet. So that's cool. We'll get the log sheet out. I think it's in a plastic bag. Even though I can reach in there and get it, the tweezers come in real handy for all of this. There we go. Tools of the trade, and that's a really good one you need to have. So we will open the log sheet up. It's in good shape. So this one's been maintained well, and I like that. And I have some favorite points out, so I think I'll give this one a favorite. 6.6. It was, the log was replaced in 6.6 of 25. Well done. I like that. So will be the third ones on this log sheet. So there it is, Sock Monkey and Minnow. So we'll sign that. We'll put that back in the plastic bag. Well done on the geocache. So we'll seal the bag back up. We're going to do that. The marble is in there. We're not taking anything out. We're going to put a little monkey in here. This guy here is going in, and I'm going to put a Sock Monkey pat tag in there as well. Alrighty. Seal it back up, and I'll go put it back like we found it. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna put this thing back like we found it. There we go. Well, all right, so that was a nice little cache. Appreciate that. We got out, got to stretch our legs and stuff. Now we're gonna go, we have to go back that direction just a little ways, not far. And so yeah, so we're gonna get back up on I-70. You can see the trucks going behind me down the interstate. Well done on the geocache. Really appreciate you taking care of that. It's nice to find one that's being maintained and taken care of. We are gonna head to Denver. Hey guys, so we made it to the kids' house. I almost forgot to shoot this part, but we've been playing with the grandbabies. We had dinner, visiting. Yeah, we traveled about 4.5 hours today. Stopped and got 3 geocaches, had breakfast, had a good day. So stretching these things out for an extra day has been really helpful for us. Anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. I'll have more videos coming of our trip here. I'm not sure what we're going to do yet. So those will be after this one. Appreciate you watching. Hit the like button, comment, subscribe. That will be right here. Share. And again, I really appreciate you guys. See ya.